Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install XLN Audio Addictive Keys complete. I got my download from pluginforest.com. If you buy from pluginforest.com, you will get the zip file. Okay, once file is unzipped, open the folder. You will see the setup, install setup. Make sure you have select all of this one. Hit next, install. Okay, once installation is done, go to the library folder, install library placer. Simply double click on it, then you will see this message, library is now placed. Now close everything, open your plugins standalone. There you go, you will see the libraries. There you go. You will see everything here. Okay, now let's check in our DAW. I have Ableton. There you go. Everything is working now. Enjoy your plugin. Thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna catch you on my next video. Peace.